favorite one.
Is it? Yeah.
Yeah. There's more to come. I also like how this works. And there's this story. And then, nice. Quite proud of this because it extends down there.
Take away your hand for a second. There we go. Okay.
And next page.
Let's turn it around this way again.
And then this is Chris and Percy. Percy is my cousin character. And it's my favorite collage. See if you can see what's wrong with it.
Hi, so this is the same person. The one you can see in the top right corner is Lucy, and the one you can see in the bottom left and the top left is Lucas. They're the same person. Lucas is my little drug addict, suicidal baby, like someone we know. He's also Casper's boyfriend, and you can see them smoking together when I open the page with Lucy on it. And everything on the one on the bottom left is a reference to Nirvana. And I was watching the MTV Unplugged Live in New York show when I was doing this, so a little bit of Nirvana is infused everywhere, and I can show you if you want. This is Kathleen Hanna, the iconic punk singer who started the Riot Grrrl movement, and you can see her likeness in one of the little squares, so I drew her as Lucas, and I'm going to show you. This would definitely be the picture I would use for his mugshot. It definitely looks like a still from a security camera. And then Kathleen Hanna was the one who wrote Smells Like Teen Spirit on a wall while she and Kurt were hanging out. And then Smells Like Teen Spirit was actually a deodorant that was popular in the 90s, so that's why she wrote that. And then Kurt also appears here. See the resemblance now? Huh? And then there's this, which I took from a photo of Kurt and Carrie Montgomery. Is that all a little creepy?
And this is the part where it's just Lucas, and I really like Lucas, but I hate him.
We're getting a little freaky here. Let him be himself. This is Lucas slander, y'all. This is the same thing, but less slutty. This is, of course, another Nirvana reference and a tribute to the lovely Bridget St. John.
Fuck you all, this is the last song of the evening.
On the top, there is a quote from the real-life author Dazai. And on this bottom, there's a song from Vashti Bunyan, Some Things Just Stick in Your Mind. I would recommend you check her out, she has a beautiful voice. And this is a reference to the 1999 self-titled album, Le Tigre. All the songs on there are really good, including Decepticon, which is from that album. This last reference is from Scott Pilgrim vs. the World.
You know your hair?
I know of it.
It's all blue.
I change my hair every week and a half, dude. Get used to it.
The last two references I could find were to Don McLean's album American Pie and a lyric from a David Bowie song, Panic in Detroit.
Take nothing with you. I'll give you everything I can. Have no fear. For if you stumble, or should you fall down on the way, I'll be there. Close your eyes, my love. Close your eyes gently.
And then, this is my favorite drawing of Lucas. Right there. The page is absolutely covered in our code and doesn't make much sense what I wrote. But I really liked doing this. I really like that drawing and this drawing. And then, this guy is 30. If you can believe it, he doesn't look 30. He looks 12.
What does 30 look like?
I don't know, but he doesn't look like he's 30. And this is the part where it's just Lucas, and I really like Lucas, but I hate him. And this is my cousin's character, and I made a comic about his friends making fun of him for being Italian.
Oh.
It's lighthearted. Then pull that out. You can't really see the words, but it isn't the most important part. Then there's this whole thing. I made a little series. Could be a TV series. And there's this lore. There's also this. And I don't know if you can tell, but I made a little comic here. This is my favorite drawing. That. Are you ready to turn page? I also think that it's a pretty good drawing.
Okay.
I like that. And then this is a scene of a car crashing into the tree because it's the last part of the song on the first page. This is the guy. This is that guy. In my opinion, he kind of looks like Roller in that frame. This is a page where I melted ice all over it, and I outlined the shapes that the ice made, and I also drew some clouds on it. And then I drew Bathsheba from the madding crowd there. And you probably recognize these two. These flip up. There are songs I was listening to while I was doing it, and they were rolling. And this doesn't really make sense if you don't listen to the songs. This is one of my favorite pages.
Colors
really
are
fun.
great.
Little romancing. This is supposed to be rendered in charcoal, but I couldn't find the charcoal. But it's an eye looking into a much smaller bird cage. Okay, are you ready for my favorite part?
Aha.
I love Rosalind. I love the way it turned out.
Good.
I love the character. Well, both characters, but there's my character is Rosalind, and that's her. This is the part where I gave up.
Oh.
And I mean this with the extra yellow. And it's supposed to be a woman, but a very abstract woman.
Mm-hmm.
And I was deliberating for a long time on what to put here, but it says broken light.
Mm-hmm.
It's from across the universe.
Oh, okay.
But
Got it.
then here's the part where I gave up completely. That's it.